today is Saturday and it's currently 8:16. Maaga tayo today. Meron tayong gala today. But first, pupunta muna kami ni Austin sa Chase dahil meron kaming appointment at 9. And then after that, we're gonna be heading towards LA dahil we're gonna be meeting friends today and we're so excited for it. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan ba talaga kami pupunta today, but we'll see. Naalala ko din pala na nag-text sa akin yung Walmart dahil sa Walmart ako bumibili ng contact lens na ready na din pala siya. And parang bukas ata is close sila, so itatry din namin na mag-stop by muna doon bago kami magpunta sa LA. So yung LA dito is 2 hours away lang naman. Nilalang yung 2 hours. But, yeah, sanay na din kasi si Austin sa pagda-drive-drive. So, 2 hours is not really that bad for him. Nakuha na din pala namin ang aming driver's license sa California. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Hindi masyado maganda na ngayon yung driver's license nila. Dahil, nung lumipat kasi kami sa Texas, is kailangan naming ibigay sa kanila yung license namin sa California. So, ngayon is, we're back in California and nag-apply kami ni Austin online lang. And then, parang after, I think a week or 2 weeks is nakuha na din kagad namin. Hindi ko din gusto yung picture ko dito, but tingnan natin. Iba na yung ano niya, iba na yung font niya. Iba na yung kanyang, ayan o, yung kanyang writing dyan. Hindi na yung katulad nung dati. Mas maganda yung ano nung dati. But that's fine. May driver's license na ulit tayo for California. Kahit hindi ko naman ginagamit. Alam nyo ba guys, nung nag-start ako mag-work from home, hindi na ako nagda-drive. Feeling ko talaga, kaya ang in-aim ko din is mag-work from home is para hindi mag-drive. Dahil up until now, hindi pa din ako comfortable mag-drive sa freeway. So, yeah, si Austin lagi nagda-drive. But, sabi ko kay Austin, I think it's time for me to really like learn and not be nervous sa pagdadrive sa freeway dahil yun din talaga yung kinakatakot ko. Ewan ko ba, lagi ako nag-freak out pag merong super laking truck na yung mga 16 or 18 wheelers na truck, pag meron kaming nasa sa gilid nun, natatakot ako dahil yung mga nakikita ko na video sa Facebook or sa TikTok is yung mga 16 or 18 wheeler na truck is umaano siya, pag malakas yung hangin is parang nag-flip over siya kahit ang bigat-bigat nun. So, yun lagi yung naiisip ko na, nakakatakot. Ang plano namin today is gagala tayo sa LA. Parang every week na lang kami nasa sa LA, guys. Dahil meron din kasi ako dong high school friend. Shout out to you, girl! Super close kami nung high school and I'm so happy na ang lapit-lapit lang din nila dito. So, yun, lagi kami nagpaplano na ni Ceres na maggala-gala dito either doon sa kanila dahil madami din kasing galaan nga din doon and mag-food trip kami. So yun siguro yung balak namin next weekend. We'll see pag hindi mag-work si Austin dahil ngayon kasi is nag-o-offer yung kanyang boss ng overtime dahil nga merong lumipat siya na ka-work lipat sa Bay Area. So ayun, medyo nagkulang sila sa tao and minsan nag-o-offer yung boss niya na mag-overtime at dahil si Austin ay hindi nga stress na sa work and from 6 to 30 and then by 3 p.m. is nasa sa bahay na siya. Sabi niya is why not take the overtime dahil hindi din super bigat ng trabaho niya ngayon, which is we're so happy about. Ngayon na wala na siyang stress sa work, ang hinahanap naman niya is magka-stress. Nagagawa-gawa din siya sa aming garage ng mga woodwork ganon. Dahil handyman nga siya, so yun yung mga hobby niya ngayon is mag-wood cutting, tapos bili ng tools. Iniintay ko lang ngayon si Austin na mag-get ready dahil ang ginagawa namin is dahil matagal nga akong kumilos, guys. Get ready muna ako and pag tapos na ako, tsaka siya magsha-shower, tsaka siya magbibihes dahil mabilis lang naman yung mga lalaking gumalaw, hindi katulad nating mga girls or ewan ko kung baligtad sa inyo, but kami kasi is it takes me about an hour or 2 para mag-get ready dahil ang bagal kong gumalaw. I will give you guys an update later. Hindi pa namin din sure kung mag-grab muna din kami dun sa bakery nga dito na malapit sa amin ng something to eat on the way papunta sa LA dahil siguro ang kainan namin doon is around 12 or 1. Or aalis kami dito by siguro mga 8:45. Appointment sa Chase is at 9 and hopefully hindi kami magtagal doon, mga 30 or 1 hour depending. So by 10 is tapos na sana kami doon and we're gonna be heading towards LA, which is about 2 hours. So, if walang traffic, siguro makakadating kami doon around 12, 12:30, ganon. So, yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye! I like that pink bushes. This is our breakfast. It's currently 11:43 and we are kind of running late dahil nagtagal kami sa Chase. We didn't expect for us to be over there for like 1 hour and a half.
Yeah, it was like an hour and a half sitting down with the baker.
Yeah, he's super nice, but yeah, nakipagchikahan kami sa kanya, so yun, medyo nagtagal, and yeah, now we're just heading towards LA, and we still have 1 hour and 49 minutes. Usually, it's only like about 2 hours, but dahil ata may accident, so it showed us like 3 hours earlier, right? And then
Yeah.
it's down to 2.5.
Yeah.
And now I think we've been driving for about 45 minutes, I would say.
Yeah, so far.
We'll see you guys later. Bye. Super traffic. Nina umandar. We've been like seeing 1 more hour for the past 30 minutes per traffic.
Then turn left into the parking lot. Turn left into the parking lot.
And there's also the
This is a really nice drive. Just drive. Yeah, that's a fucking.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Said they got like a really good pie here or something. That's better than sugar twist.
For
They have the
sure.
right amount of cream cheese in it.
Right. So, ito pala is binigay sa amin ng aming friend. Bigyan niya kami ng Portos and many more stuff. Happy Sunday! It's currently 10:09 and we are just starting our day today. Medyo na late kami. Like, started our day late.
Yeah, pretty much.
So, magbe-breakfast muna tayo with Portos. Galing siya sa aming friend from yesterday. Pumunta kami sa LA. And we...
Do a shout out.
Huh?
Do a shout out.
Shout out to Ate Mona and Kuya William. We really appreciate you. Did you enjoy yesterday? Ayun na naman siya sa pahay-hay lang, di ba? So yeah, we're gonna eat this before we go para hindi na kami bumili sa labas ng kakainin para makalibre. So, thank you so much. We really appreciate it and we really love this.
Hi.
What are we gonna do today?
We have to go Lowe's. We're gonna go grocery shop we need to cook whatever we're gonna eat this week. And then we need to clean up the backyard. All the Karma stuff. And then work on the garage. And the car when you do the car.
Oh yeah, I need to clean it. Maybe we vacuum it outside, like where they have like free vacuum and stuff.
If we can find one, yeah.
Yeah.
There should be one. This is so good.
Yeah.
Like, it's good cold the next day. You don't have to warm it up. It's just good. Go Portos.
Go Portos!
Thank you.
Another day.
Babe, can I find more tools?
No.
She doesn't love me.
Your tools are expensive.
So is makeup.
I don't wear real makeup. I don't buy makeup. My makeup is like 7 years old. Lowe's. We are in Lowe's. Get some stuffs.
Pass this button, then use the right lane to keep right to merge onto CA 99 North.
We just got out of Lowe's and now we're heading to Asia Market para bumili ng toyo dahil naubusan na tayo ng toyo. And after
Right.
this, we're gonna...
Go to the other Lowe's and then Wally World, Walmart, and then we got
Stuff to do
Stuff's
at
at
home. This week's ulam is we're gonna make giniling. Gusto daw ni Austin ng giniling with it's kind of like soupy instead of like dry. Because I usually do it dry para mas madaling kainin ni Austin while he's working. Most out of toyo and we need to buy some. I feel like hangover today. Yesterday we really like enjoyed it, but like while we were there I was actually kind of like dizzy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because of I think with so many people and I'm not used to it anymore. We don't usually go to where there's a lot of people, so yun, medyo nahihilo ako while we are roaming around, but we really enjoyed it. Ganda ng mga pinuntahan naming places. And I didn't get to vlog yesterday dahil we just want to enjoy it and bond with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went with Ate Mona and Kuya William and we really like enjoyed. They're super thoughtful, like super thoughtful and super generous. We're really thankful for you guys. Really appreciate it. We can't wait for our next adventure. Where are we going next time?
I'm not
See.
sure yet. We might do the Tahoe thing or
I think it's about like 4.5 hours away from us.
okay.
So we might have to like stay in a hotel or a cabin there. Today is just gonna be our not very slow day because we have some stuffs to do. But ako lang ba yung pag tuwing magwi-weekends na, tuwing Friday, ginagawa ko na yung mga laundry, ginagawa ko na yung paglilinis ng bahay sa umaga pa lang ng Friday bago ako mag-work para pag Saturday, Sunday is makakagala na lang, grocery na lang para hindi ko na intindihin yung maglo-laundry pa ako ng aming mga bedsheets, ng aming mga damit ni Austin. So, nagawa ko na siya by Friday. And, ayun nga, para Saturday, Sunday is gala day na lang. And, para makapag-relax din at makapag-grocery na lang.
Sundays, yeah, Sundays usually do chores, cook food for meal prep, and like clean up around the house, outside, inside, and just like have everything clean for the rest of the week.
Tapos ayun, meron din pala nakausap si Austin na gardener na yung last tenant kasi dun sa bahay namin is, so yun nga, umalis na sila tapos kami na yung nagre-rent doon. Tapos merong nakausap si Austin na gardener na tinatanong nila kung nasan na daw yung dating tenant doon dahil hindi nakapagbayad ng upa sana sa kanila. Like, I'm telling them about the gardener that didn't get paid.
This tenant apparently had them do a bunch of work before they left, and they owed them like $370. And I was like, I'm sorry, that sucks, but it wasn't me. So
yeah, and sabi nila is $75 a month lang daw yung china-charge nila per month para mag-maintain ng yard. So that's maybe one thing we're gonna do.
maybe we'll
We'll
see how
see.
it goes this for the next few months. But right now, as long as we keep up with it, like every Sunday we go and just pull a few weeds, we should it should be easy to take care of.
Should be
Save
fine.
$75 a month.
Yeah.
I mean, 75 is not a whole lot, but I mean, it's still $75.
It adds up. Hindi ko pa sure kung ano pang bibilin ko sa Asian market. Dahil hindi naman namin pinaplano pumunta dito, but naalala ko wala na nga pala kaming toyo. Hindi ako nakapaglista ng mga bibili namin for grocery, but we're just gonna wing it today.
For what?
I didn't get to list down what we need to buy for this week's, because we didn't really plan doing
Oh yeah.
giniling, but yeah, I think we just need. Do you like me putting tomato paste or tomato sauce in it?
Yeah, it's
Do you
good.
like it? Yeah. So usually kasi ang nilalagay ko lang is toyo. Ngayon is naisip ko lagyan siya ng tomato paste dahil yun yung mga nakikita ko din sa TikTok na ginagawa nila, and yeah. I feel like I sound weird. Do I sound
You
weird?
sound normal.
Okay.
Just weird to yourself.
But yeah, guys, see you later. Asia Market with Oz. Looking for soy
need that one?
sauce. No, just this. Buy some soy sauce. Nung ako'y nagkasakit, ito ang aking kinain. So, I'm gonna buy food of this. Used to be my favorite. Ang Hanso, but we don't need it right now. Favorite ko din to. And the mocha. Meron silang Graham crackers. Sarap sanang mag-Graham. Let's see if meron silang stick-o. They don't have what Eugene likes. The condensada.
Yeah.
They don't have those anymore. Austin's fave. Which one? They don't look the same. That's fine.
Try it out.
So, meron silang Leolis. We have more of these dahil yung neighborhood Walmart namin meron nito. Look, they have bangus. I haven't tried that. Comment down below if nakapag-try na kayo nito. First time ko makakita. Should I try it? Or no? Kinda looks scary.
It's $3.99.
Yeah. It's probably good. You can never go wrong with bangus. Hindi ako mahilig sa sardines. Kaya hindi din ako masyado bumibili niyan. Hindi ko hilig yung mga tomatoey taste, sour taste. Meron silang pork belly and tilapia. We done?
Yeah.
So we're done. Ayan, meron din pala sila dito. Kainan. We are done for Asian market and now we are heading to where?
Lowe's, and then you want tilapia?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna grill some tilapia again this week. Or this today. We're gonna have it for dinner.
Tilapia. Yeah. We'll cook giniling for meal prep, and then tilapia for our actual
I wonder
dinner.
if the eggs that we have are still good. Should be good, right? Because it's in the fridge. It's been a while, but I think it should be good. Just gonna boil it.
Yeah. Watch out for the massive bump here. This is dangerous. Isn't that pretty cool? Going park over here.
Dito kami ngayon sa Lowe's. May bibilin siya dito na kahoy or something. Hindi na ako pinasama dahil sabi ni Austin, madali lang naman daw siya. And para makapaglista din ako ng mga kailangan naming bilhin sa Walmart. So, yun ang gagawin natin. So, magti-TikTok muna ako. Titingin tayo ng mga ingredients na kailangan natin para sa giniling. Fish. Good? We already got 2 tilapia. Hi guys! So, kakatapos lang pala namin kumain and now we're here. Dito ulit sa ating bahay and I'm gonna organize those groceries na pinamili namin. Bumili din pala ako nito dahil nakain ko na. Isa lang yung binili ko last time at kinain ko siya nung sick girl ako last weekend. So yan, sabi ko kay Austin, just for when things like that happen and madali lang siyang lutuin, nilalagyan ko siya ng itlog. So, bumili tayo ng dalawa nito. And I'm so happy dahil meron silang Lily's na peanut butter. Tanda ko nung nasa sa Pinas, ito din yung ginagamit namin. Bumili din kami nito. Favorite to ni Austin. Pagkatapos nito, hindi muna ako magluluto. Feeling ko, I'm gonna take a nap dahil parang, ewan ko, parang pagod na pagod ako today. Kahit wala pa naman kaming nagagawa masyado. Nag-drive lang kami, bumili ng mga kailangan sa labas. Siguro dahil na din nga sa init. But yeah, I'm gonna take a nap after this. And then mamaya magluluto tayo ng giniling. Okay, so it's currently 6:45 PM na. And medyo na-late tayo sa pag-start magluto, but na-prep ko na yung ating i-grill na tilapia. Meron kaming 2 binili. Luluto tayo ng giniling for this week's ulam na babaunin din ni Austin sa work. Hopefully matapos tayo kagad before 9 dahil bukas ng umaga is balak namin magpunta ng gym. So kami ni Austin is nagbayad kami para pumunta sa gym. Parang Friday ata nagpunta si Austin and about parang 10 minutes away lang naman siya dito sa amin. So, balak namin bago si Austin mag-start mag-work is pupunta na kami doon sa around 4:30. Kailangan na namin pumunta doon para makaabot si Austin sa work niya, which is 6 a.m. So, sana mapanindigan namin to dahil nagbabayad na kami ngayon ating gym membership. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari bukas dahil super aga at hindi ako sanay gumising na maaga. Usually, pag nag-work nga ako ng 8, but usually gumigising ako or bumabangon ako ng 6:30 para magluto ng rice, para sa maghapon naming pagkain, and then para na din ma-feed or para mapakain yung aming aso and para makapag-clean up na din kahit papaano. Ayan si Austin. Nasa labas. Bumili din pala kami nung pinakawalis. Ito din palang gamit nating oil. Sa Costco namin to binili and super tagal na niya guys. Since last year pa siya sa amin. Na yan, medyo paubos na siya. Siguro nagamit namin to 6 to 8 months. So, ganun katagal namin siya nagagamit din. Konti lang ako maglagay ng mantika or ng oil. Ito din pala yung nabili naming meat sa Walmart. Konti yung stock nila ng ground pork. So, 2 lang yung nabili namin. Ayan, 2 ganito. Parang about $4-5 each to. And then, bumili din kami nitong ground beef and pork blend. Hindi ko alam na meron palang ganito. First time namin bumili ng ganito. Bumili kami ng 3 ganito dahil ito na din yung kakainin namin. Maybe in the next 2 to 3 days. Tapos, magbabaon nga din si Austin ng ganito. Kaya madami kaming gagawin. Kaya malaking pot din yung ating gagamitin. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ang kaguluhan dyan. Pagkatapos kong magluto is tsaka ako magliligpit. Kaya ayoko din nagluluto dahil feeling ko super kalat niya. And naiirita ako pag madaming lumalagay sa ganyan, sa kitchen aisle. Ayoko na may ganyan-ganyan. Kaya minsan si Austin nahihirapan maghanap dahil mahilig siya magpatong ng mga gamit sa kitchen aisle and ayoko nang meron akong nakikitang nakapatong doon. So, nilalagay ko siya sa drawer tapos hindi na niya alam kung saan nakalagay. Tapos minsan nakakalimutan ko din kung saan ko ipinatong or saan ko inilagay. Then pala ako ng tomato sauce and tomato paste. So, lalagyan ko siya both. Dahil last time, nilagyan ko lang siya nito. And sabi ni Austin, gusto daw niya ng medyo soupy na giniling. So, maglalagay tayo ng tomato sauce. Tapos, magbo-boil din ako ng eggs para, dahil diba ganun, parang ganun yung kapartner ng giniling, either itlog ng pugo or boiled eggs. But dahil wala tayong itlog ng pugo and medyo may kamahalan din ata yun compare sa eggs. And, nag-chop na tayo ng onion, garlic. Tapos, ito uli ang ating ginagamit na garlic dahil tayo ay may katamadan sa pagbabalat ng garlic. And parang konti lang din naman ang difference. Ang pansin ko lang dito is dahil nga peeled na siya, madali siyang masira. So, ang plano kong gawin is, ito ko sa iba, meron silang parang mold na nilalagay nila yung chopped garlic tapos i-freeze na lang nila para nga hindi masira.